Yeah, what's up guys, welcome to this video. This video, I want to talk about something very important, especially for those who want to transition from being a scalper, day trader to becoming a swing trader. You see, 2 years ago I started this journey, and I started out being a day trader. It was actually very chaotic, always trying to look out for setups in every session. It wasn't really easy, right? Though I was making money, but day trading, you make here, you lose here, you make here, you lose here. So it kind of reduces consistency to a certain level. Now, I later understood that becoming a swing trader, number one, it gives you peace of mind, right? So if you are interested in becoming a swing trader, or you are of how to move from becoming a day trader to move from how to become a scalper to a swing trader, or a day trader to a swing trader, then this video definitely for it, because I'm going to be pointing out certain things that you need to start doing and certain things that you need to stop doing before you can successfully move over or transition from becoming a day trader to swing trader. Now, number one thing that you have to understand about swing trading is that it requires lots of patience. You see, sometimes I can go for 3 days, 2 days without seeing any setup on the chart. All right. In a particular pair, I can stay up to a week without seeing a new setup. All right. You just have to hold one position. So if you don't have patience, or if you are unable to master the craft of patience, becoming a swing trader is going to be very difficult. Now, I have to be honest with you, it is easy, because coming from an environment where you take like 2 3 trades every single day, and moving over to an environment where you have to stay like 4 days without even trading, or without taking any new trade, it is not easy. You're always tempted to go to the chart, especially if you are trading full time already. All right, you don't have a 9 to 5 job or stuff like that. Like for example, if you're like me, that you work from home, you all have this so much time to give out into the market that you're always tempted to look at what is happening on the chart. If there's a new setup, it is not easy, but you have to try to become patient in the market, wait for your setup. Now, that is number one thing. The number two thing you also have to understand about transitioning to becoming a swing trader is that you need to stick to a particular time frame. You need to stop revisiting your old friends. When I mean your old friends, I mean your old time frame, which is like the 1 hour frame, and which is like the 15-minute time frame or 5 minute time frame. Now, this was actually one of the challenges that I had, right? When I started transitioning to swing trading 3 months ago. This is actually my third month becoming a swing trader. Now, it was not easy, because sometimes you see confirmations on the, let's say, 1 hour time frame, all right, and also a very good setup on the 4 hour time frame. But because you already have this day trading mentality built inside of you, you are always tempted to go to the 15-minute time frame, sometimes even to the 5 minute time frame. Sometimes you might even be checking 1 minute time frame, and I don't know what the heck you'll be doing 1 minute time frame when you are trying to become a swing trader. So focusing on a particular specific time frame is very important. Now, for me personally, right now, the time frame that I focus on is just the minimum I can go down to is the 1 hour time frame. But what I'll mostly focus on is the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 2 hour time frame. Now, the reason why I use the 2 hour time frame is more like trying to filter the 50% of what is happening on the 4 hour time frame. So that is why most times my entry, I use the 2 hour time frame. I only go down to the 1 hour time frame if, let's say, I don't actually get a confirmation. Let's say, for example, if I'm a smart money trader, so sometimes when I see, let's say, a change of character on the 4 hour time frame, all right, and it doesn't have a fair value gap, I want to go down to the 2 hour time frame to confirm if there's a fair value gap. Now, if there's a fair value gap on the 2 hour time frame, that trade is still a confirmed entry. Now, sometimes there might not be fair value gaps on the 2 hour time frame, but if I go down to the 1 hour time frame, I will see a fair value gap, and maybe some balanced price range or stuff like that, that will help me to say, okay, this 4 hour change of character is actually valid. Then I can go for that particular trade. But I don't have any business, as of the time recording this video, I don't have any business with the 15-minute time frame, or the 5 minute time frame, or the 3 minute time frame. All those things are now things of the past. Now, the question now is, has trading becoming or transitioning into swing trading helped me a lot? Yes, I can say so, because number one, it has given me a lot of peace. These days I no longer spend the whole night on the chart. Like, there was a time that 1 a.m., 10 a.m. I was checking my trades, trying to see if I should exit this trade. But right now I place trades and I just let it run. The only thing I do personally is maybe sometimes I say, okay, I want to adjust stop loss, okay, or maybe I want to maybe I added position on a change of character, and it has given me another two breakout structures. Okay, maybe I want to add position if I'm very still far from my targets. These are some of the things I might be doing, but that particular setup is just going to be one. All right, so it has given me peace of mind, and it has given me room to do other things outside trading. You're right, because you see, one thing about trading can be very, very addictive. Trading can be very, very addictive. If you are not careful, trading will suck you into the market. You will not do any other thing with your life again other than being on the chart, which is not actually very, very good. So, and for if you are working 9 to 5 and watching this video, maybe you have a job you are doing. To be honest with you, you shouldn't be day trading, right? You should be swing trading. Just find a way to transition from day trading to swing trading. Trust me, it is going to help you a lot. Psychologically, mentally, to help you, because it helps you to focus on your job, because you don't want to um, be in the office, right, and always be checking your phone to see if your trade has hit TP, or if it has hit stop loss, just because it is a you entered on the 5 minute time frame or the 15 minute time frame. You want a trade that you can take, and you can leave it for days to run, all right, without worrying about hitting stop loss or maybe going into drawdown or stuff like that. Now, another thing is that it helps. One thing about trading is that the only time you start seeing progress in trading, which is actually the only time I started seeing actual progress in trading, is when you start seeing trading as an investment vehicle instead of a get rich quick platform. Now, what I mean by that is, an investment vehicle is something you put in money. You can leave it for days, leave it for weeks, leave it for months, then come back and check your return on investment. Now, the only trading system that helps you to see Forex or see trading this way is swing trading, because you know that if I place a position today, I might have to wait till the following week. All right, even so, there was a time we held the BTC trade we took from 100k to 85k. We held that trade for almost 20 days. And when he finally started printing, he printed massively. So in that part, and it ranged a lot. So imagine you are in the office, you are taking day trade within that range. You keep getting stopped out, hitting stop loss here and there. You just keep messing up your psychology, and you don't focus on the particular work, that the offline work or the 9 to 5 work that you're doing. You might even get sacked along the line, all right, and you won't still make anything out of that trade. But if you took a swing trade, you just feel relaxed. So one most important thing, guys, you must take away from this video, if you are thinking of becoming a swing trader, number one is to master the art of patience. Number two is to stop revisiting your smaller time frame. Focus now on the higher time frame. Look at the daily trend, your 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame or 2 hour time frame, 3 hour time frame, but let it be on the hourly time frame for your entry. All right, if you have zones, you can mark zones on the weekly, on the daily. Then for your entry, you can now use 4 hour or 1 hour or 2 hour, whichever one is preferable by you. Stop looking at the 15 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame if you want to start swing trading. So that is just an update for you guys. If you love this video, if you love videos like this, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and do have a lovely trading week ahead. Peace.